Everybody needs ice for free. I'll advise that he comes down here, because you will never pay a dime for any amount of ice that you want. And one thing is, I think the police have less or nothing to do so far as overspeeding is concerned, because nobody will ask you not to overspeed. If you don't use your head, then of course you're for a high jump. Because if you want to overspeed in this icy moment, then you find yourself in trouble. And today is worse because it is windy. Too much wind. One thing too is, if you are afraid to go out, then of course you must be prepared to starve to death. But if you have kids, adults may decide to stay indoors. But what if the kids wants to eat? You have no choice. You are obliged to go out and find something for the kids. You have to maneuver through the ice to make it for the kids. They don't care if it is even raining fire. They need to eat. Yes, this is the situation we find ourselves in Virginia, full of ice county. Oh my God, look at that heap of ice. This is for free. Yeah, all ice, every corner, every blade of grass is covered with ice.